Hello everyone, welcome to Tap and Solve. Today I will show you exactly how to create your TapTap Send money account without any verification failure. And most importantly, how to claim your 45 dirham bonus using a promo code. And before we begin, please support us by subscribing to Tap and Solve. It really helps us grow and bring you more useful videos like this. TapTap Send UAE latest update. The real truth you must know. You might have seen posts or videos online saying that TapTap Send has been suspended in the UAE. But here's the truth. TapTap Send only paused money transfers temporarily around mid-October 2025 for a system upgrade to make the service faster and more reliable. Recently, by November 7, 2025, TapTap Send emailed me and all its users announcing that the app is now back, better and faster than ever. TapTap Send DIFC Limited is also authorized and regulated by the Dubai Financial Services Authority DFSA for providing money transfer services. Their official address is here. So yes, it's 100% safe, secure and reliable to use TapTap Send for your money transfers. Step by step, how to create your TapTap Send account. Download the TapTap Send app from the Play Store or App Store. Make sure you have your valid Emirates ID with you. Open the app and click Sign Up. Enter your mobile number. Tap Next. Enter the OTP you received and tap Confirm. Enter your first and last name exactly as they appear on your Emirates ID. Then click Next. Enter your email address. Set a strong password. And click Next again. Enter your date of birth exactly as on your Emirates ID. Choose your country of residence and where you work. Then continue. Select your passport country, then click Next. When asked, select Sending to Family as your purpose of transfer. Choose your work sector. For example, I selected retail sales. Next, enter your UAE address and click Next. Then answer the question about your estimated monthly transfer amount and allow notifications by selecting Yes. Finally, choose the country you want to send money to. Don't worry, you can change this anytime later. Now, here's the exciting part. Claiming your TapTap Send bonus, click Add Promo Code. Enter the promo code shown on screen to get your bonus. Tap Enter. And you will see your bonus amount appear immediately. Once you send money to your home country, that bonus will be added to your transfer amount automatically. To activate the bonus, you need to send at least 100 dirham. Depending on promo, you can claim 20, 30 or even 45 dirham and enjoy your reward. Final steps: verification and linking your card or bank account. Account verification. Keep your Emirates ID ready. Make sure you're in a well-lit area. Click Upload ID, then continue to scan. Scan the front and back sides of your Emirates ID. Take a clear selfie and submit. Link your card or bank account. Go to Account, then tap Add Card. You'll see two options: debit or salary card and bank account. For the fastest transfers, I recommend using your debit or salary card. And that's it. You've successfully created your TapTap Send account. What's next? To learn how to send money from the UAE using TapTap Send, check the video link in the description. I have already uploaded a step-by-step guide for you there. If you have any questions or face any issues, feel free to comment below. I will definitely reply. Best of luck.